WPL, BBL, SA20, ILT20, all done and dusted. But one league you probably didn't even notice, the BPL. And that's surprising because the Bangladesh Premier League has been around for nearly 15 years, longer than most franchise tournaments. So why isn't it even in the conversation for world's top T20 league? Simple answer. Because of almost everything. Let's start with the player salaries first. The highest paid player in the latest BPL auction earned about 75 lakh INR. For context, nearly 75% of IPL players will earn more than that in 2026. Low pay means no big international names, no big in names means no global audience. And if you have ever watched a BPL game, you'll know something else feels off. Slow pitches, unusual match patterns, and constant rumors around integrity and betting syndicates. Whether proven or not, these stories damage trust and fans switch off. And with the way Bangladesh cricket is being managed right now, it's hard to see things changing anytime soon.